How to power duplicate an object across a document in a straight line. This is for PC or Mac. Now this was suggested to me by Mr. Pixel Rancher, so thanks for that suggestion, because I must admit I've been doing it wrong all along. So let's just quickly create an object. Now I'm just going to quickly create a rectangle and I'm just going to fill it with a gradient. Very basic design there, just quick design, and also go over to filters and then down to distort, and I'm going to use shear. Just I want a nice wavy design, just looks nicer. So I'm just going to add some points to that shear, and you can add all kinds of points. Please check out the earlier video showing how to do wavy lines, and then you've got that design there, and apply. Now I'm going to power duplicate this. So how do I do that? I go over to the move tool, and then just go to the Alt Option key and then just drag. However, what you can also do is hold down the Shift key as well. Hold the Shift and Alt Option key. I say both on the keyboard, and then drag. And you can see then you get this duplicated shape. Now what you can do is you can repeat that using Layer and Duplicate Selection. Now I'm going to do that Command J or Control J, and you can repeat it all the way across the screen, and it's all nicely in a straight line, which is super useful because instead, otherwise it normally drifts off, upwards, downwards, whatever. So I'm just going to remove those now, just quickly, and I'm going to quickly show you, you can also do it the other direction as well, diagonally. So just simply, again, hold down the Shift and also the Alt Option key and just drag and then upwards, and you can see what happens. It just constrains it to 45 degrees, and you can repeat. So again, Command J or Control J, and you can do that again. So you can create some lovely designs simply in a nice straight line instead of having it sort of going off, drifting off in a weird way. I mean, which is fine if that's what you want, but it's just, I prefer actually having it nice straight 45 degrees. Also, it doesn't have to be a line, of course. It can be any other object as well. So let's just go and create another shape. So ellipse. And again, exactly the same. Got the ellipse there. Hold down the Alt Option key and the Shift key and just drag. And you can see it's constrained to that nice straight line along there. So it's not just there. Of course, you can go the other way as well if you want to go downwards. 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 0 degrees, etc. So you've got it going down. And then you can do Command J or Control J. And you can see now you get a nice design like that. Very quick and easy. And of course, you can then duplicate it across the screen as well if you want to do that. Well, hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.